So these days, finding the right meal delivery service can make a big difference, especially if you're a senior or helping take care of one. Maybe cooking is getting harder, or maybe it's just about eating healthier without all the planning and the prep. Now, there are a lot of options out there, but today I'm looking at 3 that really stand out for older adults: Factor, Home Chef, and BistroMD. They each take a different angle, from no-cook meals that show up ready to eat, to flexible kits you can still enjoy preparing, to fully medical plans built by doctors. We're going to go through how each one works, what kinds of meals you can expect, and where they really shine, so you can figure out which one's going to make life a little easier and a lot more delicious. Let's get into it. So, Factor is one of the most convenient options out there if you are trying to eat healthy, but you don't want to cook, or maybe you just can't anymore. And for seniors, that kind of simplicity can be a huge benefit. Everything comes fully cooked and totally fresh, not frozen, so all you really need to do is heat it up and you are good to go. There's no chopping, no stove, no mess. Most meals are ready in about 2 minutes using a microwave, though you can use a regular oven if you prefer. It's a safe, low-effort setup that's ideal for older adults who may have limited mobility or just don't feel as steady around sharp tools or hot pans anymore. When your meals arrive, they come in an insulated box with ice packs to keep everything cold during shipping. Once you unpack them, they go straight into the fridge and stay fresh for up to 7 days. And each meal has a clearly marked enjoy by date, which makes it easy to know what to eat first. Now, one of the things that really makes Factor stand out is how much flexibility you get. You can choose anywhere from 6 to 18 meals a week, depending on how much support you need, and the menu is broken into categories based on specific health goals. So instead of browsing blindly, you can just quickly find meals that match what you are looking for. For example, they've got high-protein meals that help with muscle strength, low-calorie options that support weight control, low-carb meals designed for blood sugar stability, and plant-based choices that focus more on heart health and fiber. And if you are looking for a more general approach, there are also Mediterranean and flexitarian options that offer a solid balance across the board. And Factor isn't just about lunch or dinner. They also have add-ons like ready-made breakfast, smoothies, protein shakes, and snacks, so you can easily build out a full day's worth of meals without needing to make an extra grocery trip. Now, in terms of cost, it works on a sliding scale. The more meals you add to your box, the less each one costs. It starts at around $14 per meal for a 6-meal plan and drops to closer to $12 when you go with 12 or more. Shipping is a flat $11, and if it's your first time trying them out, they often have promos like 50% off your first box, plus some discounts for the following weeks. But one of the best extras Factor includes, and something you really don't see in most meal services, is a free 20-minute session with a registered dietitian, and that's available for all new members. So if you are managing something like high blood pressure or diabetes, or you just want help picking the right meals, you can talk through your goals with a professional who's going to help point you in the right direction. It's a nice layer of support that goes beyond just convenience and actually helps you stay on track with your health. And if you are someone who still enjoys spending a little time in the kitchen, or maybe you just like having a hand in how your meals come together, then Home Chef might be the better fit. It's a flexible service that gives you options based on how much energy or time you want to put into cooking on any given day. You can choose from classic meal kits where you chop, saute, and follow the full recipe, or you can go with quick prep options like their oven-ready meals that come in a tray, or fast and fresh meals that just need a few minutes in the microwave. They even have a 15-minute kit that strikes a nice balance of, cooking and convenience. So if you are one who still enjoys cooking but could use some help with the harder parts, like shopping or measuring, this service makes that possible without any of the hassle. When you first sign up, Home Chef walks you through a quick taste profile, and that's where you choose your dietary preferences, flag any allergies, and filter out ingredients you'd rather skip, like pork, shellfish, or red meat. Each week, they send over a suggested menu based on what you like, but you are free to swap anything out until Friday. The recipe cards are big, with easy-to-read text and clear photos, which makes a big difference if you do have any vision issues or you just want a simpler experience in the kitchen. Meal plans can be built for 2, 4, or 6 servings, so it does work well whether you're cooking for yourself or sharing with a partner. Dinners typically start at around $8 per serving, and you can also add extras like breakfast items, desserts, or snacks right into your weekly box. Now, when it comes to dietary needs, There is a lot of flexibility here. Meals can be filtered using tags like calorie conscious, carb conscious, keto friendly, vegetarian, and gluten smart. And if you're trying to make lighter choices overall, keep an eye out for the Fresh Start badge, which marks meals that are more nutritionally balanced. Now, the feature that really sets Home Chef apart is their Customize It tool. Let's say there's a recipe that looks great, but it includes beef and you'd rather have chicken. That swap is just one click. You can also upgrade your protein, switch to seafood, or even double the portion if you're aiming for more calories or extra protein that week. It's a small feature, but for seniors who need a little more control over texture, taste, or dietary adjustments, it makes a big difference without adding complexity. And if you are eligible, Home Chef offers a nice discount program through ID.me. Retired teachers, veterans, healthcare workers, and first responders can get 50% off their first box and 10% off every one after that. There's also a fun free dessert for life promo if you stay subscribed, which adds a little bonus to look forward to each week. And if you do want to give any of these meal delivery services a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now, if you are dealing with something more specific, like heart disease, diabetes, or another chronic health problem, then BistroMD might be the most supportive option on the list. It's one of the few meal delivery services that's actually founded by a doctor and built around structured medical nutrition. Every meal arrives fully prepared and frozen, so you just heat it in the microwave, usually under 5 minutes, and you're good to go. And because the meals are flash frozen right after they are cooked, they hold on to their nutritional value and flavor a lot better than typical frozen meals. That also means that you can stock up for the week or longer without worrying about anything going bad. Where BistroMD really shines is in the way it organizes its plans. These aren't just a mix of healthy meals. Each program is designed to support a specific health goal from the ground up. So whether you're managing high blood pressure, trying to regulate blood sugar, navigating menopause, or you just want to lose some weight safely, there's a plan that's tailored for that. And if you do need something more specialized, they've got gluten-free, vegan, and keto flex options too. Each program covers breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all the meals are designed to work together, so you're not just choosing a few healthy items, you're getting a full day of meals that follow the same nutritional track. It's all put together by doctors and dietitians, so the entire plan supports your health consistently without you needing to worry about the details. Pricing starts at about $11 per meal, and shipping is a flat $20. But there is a solid discount if you are an AARP member, 50% off your first week, then 10% off and free shipping on future orders. They also offer a couples discount if you and your partner both want your own personalized plans, so you can each get the meals that fit your needs without compromise. And what really makes BistroMD stand out is that everything is built to work together. Instead of just labeling a few items as diabetic friendly or low sodium, they build an entire routine for you from breakfast through dinner, and that's actually structured to support your condition. It's the kind of detailed behind the scenes care that you usually only see in a clinic, but it's all wrapped into something that you can just heat and eat. Factor is perfect if you want completely fresh, ready-to-eat meals and appreciate having access to a dietitian for guidance. Home Chef is best for anyone who enjoys a little bit of cooking and wants flexibility with ingredients. And BistroMD is ideal if you're following a medically structured diet and you need clinical level support in every meal. Each of these takes a different approach, but they all do a great job of removing the stress around planning, shopping, and eating. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.